Hello guys, Flash here with another video on Wenmoon. Wenmoon updated their website and the new website looks so much better than the old one. So what's Wenmoon? It's a high-yielding Binance Smart Chain token that is rewarding holders and is backed up by the future of informed trading. So what does that mean? It means that if you hold, you're going to earn more. Let's get right into the tokenomics of Wenmoon. The market cap is 6.5 million USD. There are about 3,300 wallet holders. There have been burned 9.2 trillion tokens already. There's a 15% distribution on every transaction, so the more you hold, the more you earn. Also, Wenmoon is going to be listed on Hotbit. The launch is going to happen on the April 20th of 2021, and they got already a submission on Blockfolio as well. The most percentage a holder has on Wenmoon is 0.6%, so there are no whales. Wenmoon has a Discord server, a Twitter account, and a Telegram group where you can join and chat with others. In my opinion, Wenmoon has a lot of potential. It just needs to get the exposure it needs. You can buy Wenmoon on PancakeSwap. All the links will be in the description below, as well as the official website of Wenmoon. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment what you think about the webcam, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Pump this coin.